Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you're looking to promote adult offer, then where you have to go. So go to Google and search for offer vault. This is the first site. Just click here and it's a hub. You can find all the kinds of affiliate platform here. So just go to category and select adult. Country, just type India, and there you go. So the maximum payout is 65, and you can also see the $5. So Manke, adult, CPA, COD, Nostra. So these are like the offers which you can promote, and it is a network. So maximum network is a crack revenue. I tried to apply in crack revenue, but I got failed. I also made a video upon that. So you also see the CP Matica. Also tried to register on CP Matica, but I failed. You got Terra leads. So all kinds of affiliate network is there, and this is the offer. Just check out for the minimum one. The minimum is harem in SOI response to anyone, and then the minimum is man care, and it is on the Terra leads. So I'm definitely looking to promote this offer. Mancare, CPA, Scott, Nutra offer is Mancare. What we have to do, it's a fixed payout. Let's check out the landing page of it. So landing page is nothing but a picture. Wow. Category is enlargement. Okay, so it's kind of like a pill that enlarges the size. Okay, enlargement, Terra leads, and updated is 4 October 2020. Country is India. Check out the run offer. It's blank. Okay, so CPA affiliate network indirect. So this is the network. First you have to register here, then you can apply for that. You just have to apply first and see that you're getting approval or not. Once you get approval, you can then move forward to start promoting the offer. And you also have to find out first the place and platform and what is the traffic to promote, because once you have everything, then you can start looking into the offer in offer vault, and this is everything. So it's Terra, Nutra, Advertiser, and CP network operating in the market for 8 years and offering end-to-end business solution. So it's all about Terra leads. Okay, nothing fancy here, and you can, if you go down, you can see similar offers. So guys, this is the place. It's called offer vault. If you go here, you can hit some filters and see where you want to promote. Now the minimum one is $3. I think it's a very cheap. It's cost per lead. So if somebody takes an action, you will be going to pay it for. Harem in SOI responses. Preview landing page. Alright, so this is the landing page. Okay, I would not want to show you because it's full of adult pictures, and the category is dating and adult. Authorized in India. You can start running the ads on India. Alright, so here we go. I showed you the path. I showed you the platform where you can able to find all the adult offer, and that's it for today. I see you in the next time. Thank you for watching.